Okay, we just replaced oxygen sensor on a 2015 Ford Expedition. So USA Ford. And there it's got my correct model. We are going to, let's see if it's under service. Let's try powertrain. Here we go. Reset PCM, keep alive memory. This is what we want to do with a new oxygen sensor in place. So we're going to reset the cam. Wish to continue, yes. And we are in position 0. Successful procedure. All right, now let's crank the vehicle. And we're gonna go out, system selection, powertrain control module. We're gonna look at some live data. And I'm going to cut you guys off for a second while I find the oxygen sensor in this list. Okay, here's the first confirmation I was looking for, which is heater bank 1, sensor 1 on, heater control, no fault. So that's checked so far. I'm going to cut you off while I go find another function. And what we're seeing here is that the reset on the keep alive memory did work. Our fuel trims are reset to 0. That's where we want them. And we'll go put some miles on the vehicle now, and the fuel trims will relearn with the new sensor in place. We're done.